Hello, today I will be teaching you guys how to get rid of the hiccups quickly. I learned this technique from a friend and it actually works. So all you will need is water and your nose and your body. So right now I don't have the hiccups, but this technique actually works. So what you'll be doing is plugging your nose and drinking water constantly for 10 seconds. That's all you need to do. So get your water. Or actually it could be any other liquid, but so plug your nose and then drink water for 10 seconds. So I'll demonstrate right now. Okay, so 10 seconds, and that's basically all you need. So thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.